Hello friends, today I am going to explain Magento 2.4.3 features. It's released on 10th August 2021. Let us start. Magento 2.43 introduced new Composer plugin that prevents dependency confusion and identifies malicious package with the same names as internal package on the public package repository. Step 2. Rate limiting is an inbuilt to Magento API that prevents denial of service attacks. Web API now impose restrictions on the size or number of resources. Next, reCAPTCHA introduced as a modified way. reCAPTCHA has been introduced as protects against spam, hacking, and attacking, etc. reCAPTCHA will be disabled as default format when placing order and web API related operations, but it can be enabled by admin whenever required. PayPal later now introduce new concept where user can pay by using the full payment or next or installment payment. By installment or full payment. Next, admin ACL concept has been modified as those admin users are assigned access to one website only can no longer edit categories set to global scope. Next, turns off validation on the price field as expected when the dynamic price setting is enabled during bundle product creation. Page Builder replaces the TinyMC editor in the following admin areas: CMS page and CMS block. Also for category description and product description. Next, whatever content created by TinyMCE editor has been migrated into Page Builder HTML format. The CLI command Magento pin Magento setup DB status command now returns a message indicating that everything is up to date after successfully upgrade. No longer throws an exception when you run bin Magento setup upgrade to upgrade for Magento open source deployment ready to Adobe Commerce. Once product added it to an order, removes a product from a wish list. Next, customers now able to add related product to their shopping cart from a wish list. Previously only added the configuration product. Next, new Composer plugin has been introduced that proper integrity checks during installation to reduce the vulnerability known as dependency control. Provides live search support with the help of AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning concept that provide a great enhancement in Magento 2.4.3. Now, Page Builder is now available with the Magento 2.4.3 Community Edition open source. Magento 2.43 fixes 370 new fixes with core code, 33 security fixes and platform security improvements, protects against remote control execution and cross-scripting vulnerabilities. Next, videos are now available in the product gallery. It uses the correct email template when sending email to new users. Previously, it uses the default template when a custom template was selected. ACL user role, admin system permission user role means access control list with the entire catalog tree, excluding edit product design, catalog inventory, product, edit product design. Now GraphQL is applicable for shared root as root category and root interface support routing requests on product category and CMS space. Thank you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope this is very useful for next time. Very soon will be come with the next video. Very useful video.